Hello everyone, it's 5th February. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have found not enrolled in school, MCD put 3,000 children back on track. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have Karnataka adopts resolution for restoration of Manrega. Again, very important for employment as well as quality and governance perspective. Then we have 2.83 lakh dog bite cases recorded in 2024-2025 in Bihar. 776 people fall prey daily. Says a state economic survey. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have issues surrounding UGC regulations. Again, very important for quality and governance perspective. Then we have Via, Meta, and WhatsApp facing a judicial ultimatum. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have science versus religion. Dan Brown's pursuit to bridge the divide continues. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Ladakh leaders press for statehood. Talks with Home Ministry remain inconclusive. Then we have agriculture and daily sectors protected in India-US trade deal. Again, Goel tells Parliament, again very important for international relations as well as agriculture perspective. Then we have Jaishankar Rubio welcome trade deal, discuss critical minerals, Quad cooperation. Again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have denotified tribes seek on constitutional recognition, separate census entry. Again very important for society perspective. Then we have Indian cities could see far higher temperature rise than projected, says study. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have willingness to pay up may not save bank scam concluder, says Supreme Court. Again very important. Lastly, we have the world page where we have US-Iran confirmed talks amid flare-up over drone downing. Then we have Nicolas Maduro ousted Trump's oil blockade push Cuba to the brink. Then we have Israel strikes kill 21 in Gaza, including infants. Lastly, we have talks with Russia substantive and productive, says Ukraine. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.